Greetings, Southeast YouTube. It's Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I'm taking the kids to school right now. There's Zach in his rain boots. It was raining really hard last night, and I think it's gonna rain again a little bit later too. Mom made me another omelet. So delicious. Ooh, the rainbows are out.
This rainbow?
These chandeliers, rainbows. I want to do this. My new chessboard. Let's take a look at it. So, this chessboard is super cool. It does have one broken piece, but we looked at it and you can just like glue it back together. So, the queen was broken in half, but just gonna glue that. But check out these pieces, they're so beautiful. They're all marble. I'm gonna take them all out. I'm actually gonna put them in the lid. And then I'm gonna take out the board in the bottom. I'll show you guys what the board looks like, because it is super cool. It was raining really hard earlier, but now the sun's come out, but the clouds are just like coming around the house again. So who knows when it's gonna start raining. But let me get all these pieces out and I'll show you guys what the board looks like. Alright you guys, here is the board. It's amazing. Alright, so here's the board on the coffee table. It's beautiful. I'm gonna put the pieces on it and then show you guys how it looks. Alright you guys, here is the new set. I think I'm just gonna glue that one right now. But it looks fantastic. I'm super excited. Alright, there we go. I glued it back together and it's looking fantastic. Hey guys, I guess we just got inside the car and I just have a couple packages. Where are they? Over there. That need to be dropped off at the Goodwill. And, oh guys, at the Goodwill. That's all I'm thinking about. At the post office. And then afterwards we're gonna head to the Goodwill. And I might get like some taco salads from El Pollo Loco because I have been craving them so intensely. But this is the bag of the day. Check it out. Gorgeous, and I love my cute little Rex charm. He's like literally my favorite right now. Like I want to put him on everything. But yeah, so let's go head out. All right, you guys, I just got to the post office and it started raining. Luckily the post office is really close to the car, so I'm just gonna like run over there. And I do have an umbrella, so. All right, you guys, we just got to the Goodwill and it's still kind of raining, but not as hard as when we were at the post office. So let's run inside. Ooh, a fake Louis? How much are you? 70 bucks? Too expensive. I feel like everyone's inside the Goodwill right now trying to stay away from the cold. But it's a good place. It's pretty warm in here, so I'm checking out all the handbags. Seeing if there's anything cool. Mostly just the same stuff that I saw yesterday. Forever 21 bags. What is this, like a Liz Claiborne probably? No, Aldo. LC. I always think of Lauren Conrad, but it's like a Liz Claiborne. Well, I was like, oh my gosh, it's a Lauren Conrad bag. What's this? Pleather though, I think. For sure these. No label inside. This is also just pleather. Pleather. Carlos, those are leather. They still have this Fossil bag. That one's been there for a little bit. Man, there's like a lot of bags, but none of them are like too spectacular. What is this? Liz Claiborne also? I don't think this one has a label anymore. I always look at the Steve Madden because the leather looks so nice, but it's just pleather. I do like the style of it though. Though some Steve Madden bags are not pleather, but you can always check on the tag, so this is all just PVC. This cookie jar is super cute. But check this out. Like a giant, like, kind of Buddha head statue. They usually have these at like Marshalls and stuff, I think. Oh, this one's 20 bucks. These fish are kind of cool and really heavy. I honestly kind of like them. They're kind of cool. Oh god, there's probably spiders in there. I can see cobwebs. They're so cool. Can you put them like this? Oh, they stand like this too. I don't know, they're kind of cool. They like these kind of statue things are like pretty popular right now. Like they have them all over like Williams-Sonoma home, like Pottery Barn. This is so cute. It's missing the lid though, but it's $7.99. Oven and probably like microwave safe. Made in Japan, country home. I wish it still had the lid. Oh, they're playing some Celine Dion right now, and I'm living life. These are so cute for Thanksgiving. Ooh, look at this blue and white plate I'm living for, except it's super cracked everywhere, and it's ironstone. Made in Japan. They have a bunch of this stuff. They have like the little dessert plates, little teacup things. Let's check out the mugs. Oh, butterflies. You guys know I love butterflies. I really want to do like a butterfly motif for spring. I think that'd be really pretty. Everything is kind of extremely picked up, for there's tons of stuff on the floor. What is this little Tommy bag? Oh my gosh. It's like so vintage. Oh gosh, it's $20 though. Don't know about if I can do that for this vintage Tommy, but it's really cute. It even has like, this is like a, it's like rubber, like a shoe. Denim. Oh, really cool. They're currently killing it with the furniture. They have some cool furniture pieces. These chairs are so cool. I love like the wood. Oh my gosh, I feel like everyone used to have these back in the 90s. This table was here yesterday, but I think it's already purchased. And then there's this kitchen chair, 10 bucks. Where if there's any cool art today? I don't think they have anything now. Check out these like natural fiber trunks. Like these are so boho chic. This one's 20 and that one is 30. Check that out. They're in really good condition too. I had to make my rounds one more time through the handbags, and I did find this Elliott Luca. Right here, it has a little turn lock. Still works. Let's see how much it is. Oh, $20. Too much for this Elliott Luca. It's kind of cute though, but maybe if I had like a cross strap or something. Alright, we're just gonna pass on this guy. Let's see what else we can find. I'm looking at these cameras to get like maybe on Thursday for Dollar Thursday. So I'm already doing some pre-scouting for Thursday, and I really want to try and get them. They have these Michael Kors heels, Jessica Simpson. They have some Ugg boots. They have those spy goggles right there. But I always feel like it's too soon to like scout until it's like the afternoon or like the night before, the afternoon before. So we'll be checking in every day to see. I really like that shell thing over there, the crystal one. Alright you guys, so the sun had decided to grace us with its presence. At least for maybe a little bit. There's like a ring of like no clouds, but then like you can see the clouds back there and they're like all around. So like there's like a hole in the clouds in the rain right now that I think we're living in. It's kind of like the eye of the hurricane, the eye of the storm. So that's exciting. But right now, I didn't get anything at the Goodwill today. I kind of did a little bit of scouting. The color of the week is purple, and there were a couple things in the case that were purple that I have my eye on. There are a couple like digital cameras that I think would be pretty cool. If they were only $1, I think that would be like a fun buy. If not to let the kids use or like to give away or something, I don't know. I just think that that would be pretty awesome to see if I can get them on Thursday. And Thursday is my birthday, so I have to try and get them. Is that like much to come early on Thursday after the kids, I drop off the kids at school? I think it would be fun. Last time I did that, which was last week, I got here right after the kids got out of school, and there was like 2 people in line in front of me. So I think I might do that again this week, but I don't know. If the cameras are still there like Wednesday afternoon when I come, then I will probably try to get them on Thursday just because they're $1, and that's a good deal on those little digital cameras that are actually not super old, and they're like 10 or 12 megapixels, which is pretty good, and they're like the small cameras. They're like small and compact. So if they're still here tomorrow, I will take a look at them and see if they still have like all this stuff that goes with them, and if they do, then I will come get them on Thursday. But right now I'm kind of hungry. It's 1:18. I think I'm gonna pick up maybe like a taco salad for myself and maybe for mom, because we haven't eaten anything yet, and I know she's been up in her room. She's been working all morning too. So yeah, salads. Alright, so I'm waiting in line at El Pollo Loco. I'm super duper excited. I really love their taco salads. They're so delicious, and I love like the cilantro sauce or whatever they have. So good, so yummy. I'm so excited. Just got my food, now heading back to the house. Alright guys, so I am now inside the kitchen, and I'm actually gonna be making dinner really quick. And I'm making these are called Memphis style dry rib wings. These are so good. They're from Costco. They're so easy to just put them in the oven and cook them up. They're really nice and crispy, and then you can put however much of the Memphis dry rub that you want on them. Like you can put a little, you get like a lot depending on how spicy you like them. But they are so good and delicious. So this is what I'm gonna be making for dinner. We also have some rice in there, and yeah, so let me get to this. I've gotten all the chicken onto these 2 cookie sheets, and I just covered them with foil, and then I kind of sprayed them down just a little bit because from past experience, they still do kind of stick a little bit sometimes to the foil. So I just spray a little bit of cooking spray on them, like underneath, and then I put the chicken on, and then yeah, so now I'm just waiting for the oven to heat up to 450. Then I'm gonna put them in. It says 16 to 18 minutes. Sometimes I wait a little bit longer just because I want them crunchier. But I just watch them to flip them so that they get cooked all the way through on both sides. All right, just checking on my chickens. No, they're not crispy enough, I think, on top. Maybe another 10 or so minutes. All right, guys, so right now I'm heading over to the old house. Mom's friend accidentally sent her flowers to the old house instead of this one. So we're going over there to pick it up, and luckily the people that bought the old house are super nice. They're actually kind of like friends with my parents, which is awesome. So I'm just gonna go stop over, pick up the flowers, and then bring them back home. Look at this giant donut. Checking out the artwork. Oh, look at this like vintage mirror. That's kind of fun. Oh, look at that one. Oh, I want to go check and see. I forgot to see what color was on sale right now. Whoa. An ancient wooden stick. I feel like we had this painting in our old house.